ariko gambona n'abantu banyuma kweza kugaruka Omusinga wa Rwenzururu Charles Wesley Mumbere asimire government ahabo kumushajika ekiretire yabasagaruka kutunga amagara marungi.
After operating my eyes, now I can read, I can see, I can write. At this time, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta, who is also my uncle, for parental heart he showed to us by sending us to medical specialists.
Ogayonjire yayoreka okusima kwe ahari kurira amahe aga Uganda General Muhoozi Kainerugaba abo bushagiki oba muherize obwabiragire kuraguza omahanga gaheru.
I would like to thank my cousin, because if a president is my uncle, then his child also is what? Is my cousin. Cousin General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. I had that Muhoozi Kainerugaba put much efforts to make sure that I'll go abroad for medical treatment.
Mumbere obwahati oine amagara marungi asimire ebyo byona ebikozure okushagika Omusinga ahamwe n'aba minister otireho na nabandi.
Very well, during my absence, it was not easy to run somebody's thing when he's not around. That means that everybody knows that the kingdom doesn't belong to Mumbere as a person. The kingdom belongs to all Baira.
Honorable Benson Kule Balitazale ori Prime Minister Omusinga wa Rwenzururu agambira Omusinga aha plans zitari zimwe na zimwe na n'enteekateeka ezibine nk'Omusinga.
We have also managed to put together the resource mobilization strategies for the 5-year strategic development plan. So very soon, Your Majesty, we shall be giving you these documents so that you can look through them and then guide accordingly. So the kingdom is okay. I want to assure all Banyarwenzururu that the kingdom is moving very well.
Omukoro ogu gushyiriho ba minister abo Omusinga batari bamwe na bamwe kandi bona basimire Omusinga ahabo ugaruka aine amagara marungi. Amakuru agagasha kwa Isa Kamate ahabo Tayaro West.